still on the bus for another 10 hours. So I wanted to turn the camera on because it's a really nice landscape, but now that I turn it on, it's that was nice. Don't know whether you'll be able to see, but there's like a cloud that's gone all the way around and the other side. I don't know whether it's a dust cloud or what, but I think we're about to go through it. See? For lunch, we've just got off a bus for the first time in, what is it, like, that's how tired I am. But it's really hot here, it's weird. How are you feeling?
Oh.
Hannah's not been very well on the bus.
No, I just want a proper, I want to go to the toilet and I want a Sprite, because Sprite always makes your stomach feel better. So I'm
for sure. But yeah, we're at the beach. Weird. I don't know how I feel about it being warm. I'm excited, but I'm not prepared, and my ears are so blocked up, and they've popped loads, and it's pain. I just want some food and a shower. I'm still on the bus, but not physically right now. That's calm. They're like lines in the ground. Wait, do we have to pay for this?
Back onto the bus and go grab 3 Sol because I've only got hundreds.
I thought it was free.
It is free.
Okay, so we're going up this tower to see these things on the ground. You definitely won't be able to hear me. So there's a frog in the tree. Do you reckon they clean it out? We made it to Huacachina. We are currently in Banana Hostel. We just checked in. 24-hour bus journey is over.
So where are we going for a drink then if we're not drinking here?
We're gonna go get some food somewhere else and drink. Perfect. As usual, we're off to go get food. I've showered, so I feel much better. So has Jack. Hannah hasn't because she went for a little walk with
Her boyfriend.
her boyfriend, Gino. So she's gonna shower later.